In the final of a two-part special report, a call to action from players in the commercial cleaning industry who say policy changes and enforcement are needed to make public spaces safer from COVID-19. Here's Krista Campbell.
How much do you know about the chemicals you're required to sanitize with before entering a public building? And do you even care? We put the questions to Jamaicans across the island.
When I step in the building and there's a sanitizer, I don't really ask a question. I just sanitize my hand.
I never question it because, to my knowledge, maybe I think it's alcohol.
It smells like alcohol to me. And it's thin, it's not like the thick solution that they have. So most likely it's just alcohol them throw inside them.
You know, them alcohol and something, but we don't see satisfy them for their needs. But me and my money, we walk in for you know.
But even when you bring it there to the places and you use it in front of them, and still want to use the one that they provide.
Some of them, they don't smell good. Sometimes really wonder what kind of thing they use it.
I know people will use it for places, and when they go, their hands strip up, some sore up.
Deputy CEO of 30-year-old Commercial Cleaners, Manpower and Maintenance Services, Garth Hinchcliffe, has his own personal experiences.
I've gone to places and some people using lime water, some people are using bleach water, some people are using alcohol, and some people are using some things that we really don't know.
One local commercial cleaner raised concern about persons watering down sanitizing sprays for use in public places in an attempt to get more value out of the chemical, which can be quite costly. But that weakens the effectiveness of the sanitizer against the coronavirus. Sanitizing surfaces is another issue of concern. The chemicals used to clean regularly touched surfaces require a waiting period anywhere from 30 seconds to a few hours between spraying and wiping.
So you might have 15 minutes intervals, half-hour intervals, or hourly to sanitize high-touch points, to sanitize surfaces such as doorknobs, rails, switches, bathroom, fixtures, things that are touched frequently.
But there's also the matter of cleaning cloths.
Persons will sanitize in different ways, but it is essential that you have readily available solution that can rinse, wash, make clean that cloth to use again.
We have a color-coded system where we use different cloths to clean different areas. So for example, if you're sanitizing your phone or your desk or the bathroom, so it's a totally different cloth system that we use.
And amidst the increased demand for cleaning products to combat the Omicron strain of the coronavirus, the president of Clarendon-based chemical manufacturer King's Chemical also warns against a rise in black market operations. Courtney Thomas is concerned about persons selling 1% and 2% chlorine bleach.
The minister's recommend is that 5% bleach and up. And what you find out now is that people going around and selling bleach, let's say $50, $80 a gallon for bleach, $100 per gallon for bleach. What this does is like, it's, you undershoot whatever you're doing. Because, for example, if you're treating water, you look at the label, and it might say, 2 drops to 3 drops to a gallon of water, for example. That is recommended, like if it's a 5% bleach. If you're using like a regular, bleach out of the road, you're like 2%, you're not going to get the effect that you're looking for.
For households, a lot of persons might just be buying chemicals around the corner, buying chemicals from different persons, but these chemicals are not labeled. It doesn't speak to how you use the chemical, but somebody might just have written with a mark, a sanitizer on it, and you will feel that this have the right level of chemical makeup to kill germs. This is a malpractice.
And so there are calls for proper government policies, education, monitoring and enforcement to ensure greater sanitization safety, especially in public spaces. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.